We are learning diatonic chords in the key of F sharp. So we are in the key of F sharp. Diatonic chord simply means the chords belonging to that same key that you're gonna be playing in. So let's look at that. Let's learn the diatonic chords, and these are some chords that you can incorporate in your playing when you play your song progressions or whatever that you're gonna be playing, instead of just using the chords inversions or the chord trials. So yeah, it's up to you, but this is one of the things that can definitely improve your technique, your skill, when you're playing. So it's just something good to know. So as I said, we're in the key of F sharp. We're gonna be looking at the diatonic chords from 1 up to 7, right? So first, let's look at them, and then obviously I don't like to close off these videos without demonstrating on how you can actually use this whatever that we're gonna be learning today to play one or two songs. So let's get into this. The first one is gonna be this one with both so this is gonna be your first diatonic chord, right? Check that out. So on my left hand I'm playing give me a moment here, just want to get something right. Okay, cool. So it's F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, right? 1 5 1, right? And then on my no, in fact, wait, let's add this voicing. Yeah, so it's F sharp, C sharp, and then G sharp. Right, this is one. So let me do that slowly on my left hand. Then on my right hand, A sharp, C sharp, E, then G sharp, E sharp. I don't know why this is called E sharp. Okay. Yeah, so this is my one. And then okay, moving on to two. Okay, first my left hand. So let me just call this in numbers, because sometimes I'm conflicted. I'm like, okay, cool, let me just call this in numbers or letters. I guess somehow I'll use a bit of both, but you can see on the screen, right, with the letters, that helps on the screen. But for those that are used to numbers, let me just continue to reference these notes using numbers. So on my left hand I'm using 2 6 1 again, right? G sharp, D sharp, F sharp. And then on my right hand I'm using all my 5 fingers. This is interesting. B, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp. I mean, if you don't want to use all your 5 fingers, you can just this one here, but I just prefer using all my 5 fingers, right? But if you feel like it's a lot, you can stick to this, it's fine. So what am I playing with numbers? 4 3 5 back to 1 again. If you want to include this, then it's 6, so it's gonna be a 4 3 5 6 1. Then let's move on to 3. Let's do that again slowly. So my right hand is A sharp, E sharp, G sharp. On my right hand, B sharp. So we're working with sharps here. Okay, B sharp, B sharp, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp. So we're working with sharps. We're in the key of F sharp, right? And let's move on to 4. So this is with my right hand. B, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. So 4 6 1 3. Alright, I'm using both the letters and the numbers. So if the numbers works for you, then take that. If the letters works for you, you can see it on the screen. That should help definitely. But yeah, so 4 5 1, 3. And then on my right hand, so C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and then A sharp. 5, 6, 1, 3. Then go to 5. It's interesting one there. Go to 5, C sharp, A sharp, and then B. And on my right hand, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, B. That's your 5. And then let's move on to 6. So that's your, and please, you'll forgive me sometimes because I see that I forgot to mention the numbers when I'm playing this, right? So let me just do that. 6, 1, 3 with my left hand. Let me do that again slowly. My right hand, 7, 1, 2, 5. This is with my right hand, right? And let's do the last one, which is your 7. So this is with my left hand. Then with my right hand is this one here. So let's look at that. First left hand, playing 7, 2, 4, 6. Then with my right hand, sharp 1, 3, 6. Let's look at that again. Okay, let me not get carried away. Let's do a simple song. Let me demonstrate with a simple song. Let's take the song Thank You Jesus, thank you Jesus. Okay, let me make sure that I'm in the right key. Thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. So remember, this demonstration is to show you how you can use these diatonic chords, right? So don't forget that. So let's do that again. Simple song. Thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. So you see, I'm using my diatonic chord here. Pay too much attention on the progression of the song. If I'm messing it up, just focus on how I'm using the diatonic chords on this specific song, right? Thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you. And that's how we can use this, diatonic chords. And it can be on a lot of songs, if not, all the songs. But yeah, obviously, the more you use them, is the the more you're gonna learn on, in terms of like where you can include this diatonic chord. Don't be that player who tries to play, every technique that they know in one song, because that's not gonna sound right. So practice this, learn this diatonic chords, the more you use them, in your songs. I mean, at first I know it might sound offish, but don't be afraid to try, the technique that you've learned into the songs. Don't be afraid to incorporate this. If it works, stick to that, right? If it doesn't work, you learn, you add it somewhere else. But until you can incorporate this, and it doesn't have to be every day. Yeah, but I hope this helps, and I hope this is something that is gonna help you whenever you are playing, and I hope that it's gonna improve your playing as well. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.